So this next item is music earplugs from Hearprotek. I tend to go to a lot of concerts and the ears can get hurt from too much loud noises. So I want to protect it. And I was looking on Amazon and these ones came up at a pretty reasonable price. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what comes inside of it. Okay, here looks to be a canister that you can put the earplugs in and then attach it to a keychain. There's two sets of earplugs. I think this is the standard size in this regular case. And then there's the smaller size, as well as these ear holders, like the strings that wrap around glasses to make sure that they don't fall out. So they have this attachment. There's also this manual that it comes with, which we really don't need to care about, so I'll toss that. And then last item in here is the carabiner, in case you wanted to, I guess, attach it to this canister. So let's go ahead and open this and see what this looks like close up. Ooh, wow. This is some nice feeling silicone. Okay. I can tell that this would definitely dole out the sound coming from a concert, which will protect your ear. And the thing that I like about this design is how you can see there's almost like 3 layers or 3 levels to the earplug. So when you put in the earplug, you can jam it all the way into your ear to block out more noise, or you can use only like the first or like the second level to block out some noise, but not all of it. It's kind of up to you. So there's some aspects of control for how you utilize these earplugs. I mean, pretty inexpensive. I think I got it for like $15. Link to the product in the description below. But yeah, if you're interested, you might. This is basically what this comes in. Pretty simple, and I'm pretty sure it'll do the job just fine.